Oh wow, a lot of boring content that I didn't film because it's boring, but Skyline's fogged up. Basically done, just got to pull the sills out, got a plastic weld this bumper. The Falcon is basically done. I have welded in all my patches. Got a whole lot of grinding still to do. This side's all ground up. All those patches are done. And I've got to grind up the back. So yeah, a lot of grinding for the next hour or two. And then tomorrow should be a friggin' productive day. Buff that truck, back, first thing in the morning. Finish the Skyline, I only got the sills left to do because I have to jack it up and fuck around for that. That'll be gone, truck will be gone. This ute here basically finished it. I'm just going to prime it tonight and then in the morning spray a bit of underseal on there, black underseal. And then that other Falcon ute will be on the hoist. But in between those being switched over on the hoist, this XA dragging that out of the corner, putting it in the prime spot that this Falcon's in. The Skyline's in, sorry. I'm friggin' excited for it because tomorrow, 4 jobs should be done, gone, if the Skyline can get picked up because it's a trailer job. And then finally into the XA for the end of the month, which would be fucking awesome. So, recap. Truck gone, Skyline gone. Caitlin's friggin' interrupting my fucking vlog. Recap. Skyline gone, truck gone, Falcon ute gone, second Falcon ute gone, into the XA, and the old Holden, I can't remember what it's called. Can't remember what that version of Holden's called, but that on the hoist. So tomorrow all there will be is XA in prime spot, Holden on the hoist, and then the Bluebird. It's looking promising. Right now it looks like a lot of work, but here's hoping that tomorrow it's all gone. And there's only 3 vehicles in here. XA, Bluebird, Holden. Holden on the hoist, XA in the prime spot, Bluebird still storage. I'll eventually in the Bluebird next month, March. Surely. Oh wow, I finally got that all ground up. Looking sharp. All ground up. Looking good. This bit was already ground up, but looking good. Got this bit ground up. Looking not bad. Tied up a few wee bits with the welder. Brush some epoxy prime on there, and then I'm gonna get spraying some underseal. Hell yeah. All undersealed. Looking brand new. How bloody good. Shit yeah, she's flash. She's looking flash. Whew. Yeah, we tied that up. There's that patch on the floor I did. Brushed some epoxy on there, should help that out a bit better too. Woo! There's Fumi in here. And I'll just give her a wee wipe down because I've covered it in dust. But yeah, I only can have this back tomorrow. Because yeah, that's a bit Fumi and that needs dried before I put the carpet back down. Oh wow, Saturday morning. Pissing down with rain. It's going to piss down even worse and soon. Had a quick shuffle around the vehicles. Did not come back last night like I planned to. Typical. Yellow Falcon's getting picked up tomorrow. Skyline tonight. This as soon as I finish it. I'm going to do that now. And then nothing ever works out as planned, but Sunday, Bluebird, XA Falcon here, right here. That old Holden over there in the corner. Then gives the electrician plenty of room to get my hoist going, my lift, my chassis machine, whatever, I don't know what I'm gonna call it yet. Can't bloody wait. Today's a shit show. Yesterday I got all excited over nothing because it never happened. I did get the XY Falcon done and the Skyline almost done, but yeah, just need to get these 3 done. Did not get these 3 done. Well, I've ground that bit of rust out to weld my patch in, and that black bit there, that's sound deadening. So I have to pull the trim out and make sure that doesn't go on fire. Yeah, just gonna weld a wee patch in there, call her a day. pretty rough, but that's what needs done. Oh well, that's the carpet and stuff kind of out of the way. I'm not normally worried about setting stuff on fire, but this one I am because I haven't cleaned up all the sound deadening as you can see, but yeah. Let's do it anyway. That's it there that I'm patching. That's the carpet kind of pulled out of the way, as you can see. Still a lot of fire hazard risk, so I'm going to put a welding blanket over the top of that. I'm going to grind around this hole so that sound deadening shit doesn't catch fire as my clean. See that? There is my welding blanket. Ready to throw a patch in there. Ah, well, just that patch. Bit of primer, bit of sealer over the top of it so it makes my welds look prettier, and then under seal it with the black rubberized textured stuff. Take it off the hoist, put the carpet back in, and out of here. Don't know what to charge for that because more of a fucking pain in the arse than actual work. But yeah, guard dog doors on duty. Well, Sunday, Taurus parked up as you can see. Got our chicken wing out once again. Just pulling the sills a wee bit straighter on this. Ooh. Tightening up a wee bit. Fuck, Dora's gonna fight me now. Oh, Caitlin's here. My trailer park that I broke off of the trailer bar to pick up that bloody juicing machine. Yeah, tying the sills up. Didn't record it. I probably might record this side, but I feel like my videos are getting boringer and boringer. Don't know how to fix it. I need some cool stuff to work on. This is kind of cool though. Need a microphone. Tell me I'll put these under here so I get the hoist arms out of the way. Caitlin, how do I make the videos more exciting?
And I said you meant by wanking it off.
Wanking it off. You know what I mean by Evans?
Yeah. Look at you using this hoist.
Yeah, that. Both my mother and wife told me that I shouldn't buy. Hey.
Yeah.
Probably made me $4,000 this week. Paid for itself already.
Did it pay for the ruined car to get it?
No, he hasn't paid for that yet, no. Blown motor, towing up Dunedin Kilmore. Where'd I buy this from? Ash Broden or something?
Yeah. You need to stop buying shit from Christchurch.
Yeah. Do the back end of this thing. That's one of the good ones that filmed. It'll actually move. It'll actually move. The other one was pretty uneventful, was it? Oh. That should be the money shot, boys. Hey. That moved. And that bit over there, I'd say. Need to clean this clean. Hell yeah! Skyline is done. Yellow XY Falcon, done and picked up. Orange BA Falcon Ute, done and gone. So tonight that's leaving, and then tonight, which I didn't do the other night, finish these parts, and then that means tomorrow Monday, XO Falcon in the #1 spot for productivity, and this old Holden is going to be on the hoist over the neck corner. So up front, they'll just be the Bluebird in storage, Holden on the hoist, XO Falcon prime spot. And tomorrow I'm hoping that my man will get into the XO Falcon for me, #1 spot, and I'll get into the Holden on the hoist. And just be the poor wee Bluebird still sitting in the corner. But then it's looking good for March, next month. Get the Bluebird done and out of here too. And then there's like half a dozen or more jobs coming in next month that people waiting on me to do. A couple of them quick, easy ones, couple of day jobs. That blue bus, that's the main priority for March. Get that done. That and the Bluebird would be great. But yeah, I feel like this video is all just me talking shit about what needs done. Which, I've done a few bit. Done enough. Hell yeah! Look at all this room for activities. Heaps of room for the electrician to make my lift go. Heaps of room for him to make that go. Heaps of room to come back tonight, which I really wish I do, but I'm probably gotta go drop off that trailer I borrowed last week, then have tea, and then I probably won't come back. But tomorrow's Monday, really need to finish those tomorrow. We have this ready to go on the hoist, and this ready to start the filler work after a good sand down and clean up. Can't wait. Oh man, hopefully we'll work on this tomorrow, while I work on the Holden on the hoist, and get both of them gone and out of here, these parts out of here. Then we can get into the Bluebird and the blue bus. And have the lift going. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Got to start the 1st of April fresh, which is the plan from the very start. Even before I went full-time out on my own, I wanted to start a financial year fresh. No job, no work, go out there looking for work. Which I don't think I'll ever have to do, but I'm looking forward to if I do have to do it. Cause yeah, can't wait, how good.